Today I'm going to teach you how to create a project plan using Smartsheet. This is a fantastic way to organize your workflow, track tasks, and visualize progress all in one centralized location. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready so you can access your workspace without any delays. After logging in, you'll land on the Smartsheet homepage. This is your central hub for managing all your projects and templates. On the left side panel, you'll see several options available. Look for the one labeled Create and click on it. This is where you'll begin building your project plan from scratch or using a pre-made template. Next, from the menu that appears, click on View All Templates. This will open up Smartsheet's extensive template library, which contains hundreds of options for different business needs. In the search bar at the top, simply type Project Plan. This will filter the results and show you all the relevant templates designed specifically for project management. From the search results, locate and click on Simple Project Plan. This template is ideal because it comes pre-configured with all the essential elements you need to track and manage your projects effectively. It saves you time and ensures you're starting with a solid foundation. Once you've selected the template, click on Create from Template. Smartsheet will now generate a new project plan for you based on this template. Give it a moment to load and set everything up. You'll notice that the template is already structured with key columns like Complete, Task, Image, and Description. These columns are designed to help you track task completion status, define what needs to be done, add visual elements, and provide detailed notes for each task. One of the best features of this template is that it already includes a project dashboard. This dashboard will automatically visualize your data, giving you a clear overview of your project's progress at a glance. You'll be able to see important metrics and understand where your team stands without digging through rows of information. Additionally, the template comes with a built-in task tracker. This feature is specifically designed for monitoring individual tasks, their status, and who's responsible for each one. It's an incredibly useful tool for keeping everyone accountable and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Now all you need to do is edit the data inside the template to match your specific project requirements. Replace the placeholder information with your actual tasks, deadlines, team members, and project details. The structure is already there, so you're simply filling in the blanks to create a customized project plan that works for you. And that's it. You've successfully created a project plan in Smartsheet that you can use to manage your projects efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.